Hey there, bloggers! Are you ready to learn the secret to crafting blog posts that not only captivate your audience but also rank high on search engines? With over 10 years of experience in digital marketing and AI prompt engineering, I can tell you that effectively using AI tools like ChatGPT can significantly enhance your content creation process. However, to get the best results, it's crucial to follow a structured approach. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Split the blog post creation into 4 parts. Creating a high-quality blog post involves breaking the process into 4 distinct parts: topic ideas, blog outline, blog writing, and conclusion refining. Why this step? Most people make the mistake of asking ChatGPT to write an entire blog post in one prompt, which often leads to disorganized, generic, or low-quality content. By breaking down the process, you ensure that each part of the blog post is thoughtfully crafted and aligns with your expectations. Step 2. Brainstorm topic ideas. Before writing any blog post, brainstorm topic ideas. Set ChatGPT's temperature to 0.7 for this step. The temperature controls the creative output from ChatGPT, ranging from 0 to 1. A higher temperature results in more creative responses. Prompt: I'm planning to write a blog post in the health and wellness niche. Can you generate a list of trending and engaging blog post ideas? Why this step? Starting with brainstorming ensures that you have a variety of topics to choose from, increasing the chances of finding a unique and engaging subject for your blog. A temperature of 0.7 encourages more creative and diverse ideas. We got 20 ideas for the blog post. Step 3. Blog outline. With your chosen topic, now it's time to move on to creating an outline. Set the temperature to 0.5 for this step to maintain a balance between creativity and coherence. Let's proceed with number 12 from the brainstorm list. Now I need an outline for my blog post about natural remedies for common ailments. The blog should cover the following key points: definition of natural remedies, health benefits, types of common ailments, and tips for getting natural remedies. Add any other key points I may be missing. Why this step? Well, creating an outline helps organize your thoughts and ensures that all key points are covered. It serves as a roadmap for the actual writing process, making it easier to stay focused and coherent. Step 4. Blog writing. Next, write the blog post based on the outline. For this step, set the temperature to 0.7 to allow for some creativity while maintaining structure. Now, let's write the blog post based on the outline. Split up the section so it's clear from a UX perspective. Remember, the tone should be informative and engaging. Why this step? Writing with a clear outline helps maintain flow and coherence. Setting the temperature to 0.7 allows for a more engaging and dynamic writing style. Specifying the tone ensures the content matches your brand's voice. Step 5. Conclusion refining. The conclusion often needs refinement to avoid sounding like it was written by AI and to include a call to action. I don't like the conclusion. Create a new one which summarizes the key points of the blog post and provides a clear call to action. Make sure you call the conclusion and not new conclusion. Can you help me craft this conclusion for my blog post? Send me back the full blog post with the new conclusion at the end. Why this step? Refining the conclusion ensures it effectively summarizes the content and includes a compelling call to action, encouraging readers to engage further. Setting the temperature to 1.0 maximizes creativity, making the conclusion more impactful. Conclusion. By optimizing your content with these powerful steps, you not only enhance your visibility in search results, but also create a more engaging experience for your readers. Remember, the right keywords can make all the difference in the world of blogging.